Marcus Aurelius, while never labeling himself a philosopher, has left behind one of the most influential Stoic texts, his Meditations. These notes, written for his own reflection, offer timeless wisdom, with one key lesson being the importance of accepting fate and aligning ourselves with the natural world. Rather than wishing for things to unfold as we desire, Marcus teaches that embracing the universe as it is, with all its unpredictability, offers a path to tranquility. It's about adjusting our attitude towards the world while being firm with ourselves. Most of us, however, expect life to be pleasant and our surroundings to deliver what we need for contentment. We desire kindness from others, the achievement of our goals, youthfulness, and the avoidance of misfortune. Yet we often fall short of accepting our own imperfections, whether physical or mental, and instead focus on wanting things to be different. This constant striving can leave us vulnerable to disappointment. The truth is, despite our best efforts, we will face adversity, difficult people, unmet goals, the inevitability of aging. And if we react emotionally to these, we allow external circumstances to dictate our state of mind. In his Meditations, Marcus constantly reminded himself to face fate with composure. Instead of resisting what life brings, he encourages us to accept things as they are and find peace within ourselves. If you're interested in diving deeper into Stoic principles and applying them to your life, I've written a guide, Stoicism for Inner Peace, filled with reflections on staying calm and centered. You can find the link to it in the description below. Consider how we handle the actions of others. If someone makes a hurtful comment, how does the Stoic respond? Marcus advises us not to let others' words affect our inner peace. A joke or an insult has no power over us unless we let it. Our emotions, anger, sadness, or frustration are our own reactions, not direct consequences of the external event. As Marcus put it, add nothing of your own from within, and that's an end of it. When dealing with people, especially those who are rude or difficult, he reminds us that all humans, no matter how flawed, share the same nature. Some are moral, some are not, but all are part of the same human condition. Trying to change others is a futile effort. The only thing we control is our own response. By spending less time focusing on others' behavior and more on our own thoughts and actions, we can maintain our peace. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Don't waste the rest of your time here worrying about other people unless it affects the common good." By letting go of the need to control others, we free ourselves from unnecessary frustration. Another central idea in Stoicism is the acceptance of life's transient nature. Everything, people, empires, even the greatest philosophers, eventually fades away. Marcus reflected on this constantly, comparing the passing of human generations to the falling of leaves. Recognizing the temporary nature of our existence can either be a source of grief or a reason to let go of worries. After all, nothing lasts forever, and when we grasp this, we can stop obsessing over the insignificant. Marcus reminded himself, each of us lives only now, this brief instant. The rest has been lived already, or is impossible to see. In this way, the fleeting nature of life can also serve as a reminder to make the most of every moment. If the brevity of life causes distress, many try to avoid the inevitable by seeking ways to prolong it. But Marcus teaches us that no matter how hard we fight against nature, death will come in its own time. Recognizing that life is fleeting gives us a unique opportunity to focus on what truly matters. Marcus also encouraged us to detach from the need for fame and recognition, reminding us of the impermanence of both reputation and life itself. When facing misfortune, Stoicism offers a powerful approach. Accept it rather than resist. Adversity is part of life, and when we fight it, we not only face hardship, but also the frustration of resisting what we cannot control. Instead of hoping for a life free of misfortune, Marcus suggests we pray for strength to endure it. The Stoic mindset teaches us to focus on what we can control, our responses, rather than on external events. As Marcus famously said, "Then isn't it better to do what's up to you, like a free man, than to be passively controlled by what isn't?" The Stoic concept of change also plays a pivotal role in embracing life as it is. Nature itself is a constant flow of change, from the seasons to our own bodies. Everything is in motion, and nothing remains static. Though change can be unsettling, Marcus encourages us to accept it as part of the natural order. When we resist change, we are fighting against the very forces that shape our world. He reminds us, the world is nothing but change. Finally, Marcus offers profound advice on accepting our own nature. While many struggle with their appearance, their limitations, or the inevitable passage of time, Marcus encourages us to embrace who we are. We are all part of nature, and by understanding our place in it, we can live harmoniously. Our rational minds allow us to transcend our animal instincts, guiding us to accept both the good and bad with equanimity. As Marcus said, "I find pleasure in keeping my mind clear, in treating each thing as it deserves. By accepting ourselves and the world around us, we free ourselves from the suffering caused by trying to control what is beyond our grasp." Embracing the Stoic path isn't about rejecting life's challenges, it's about facing them with wisdom and resilience. When we stop fighting against the world and begin working with it, we unlock the peace and clarity that come from accepting what we cannot change. Thank you for watching, and for more Stoic insights like this, be sure to subscribe to the Digital Stoic channel for your daily dose of wisdom.